Hello! Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, I am Melanie, aka Quantum Pairs. If you wanna improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button there and don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like this. Right time to use them. I got it from Amazon. I'll list it in the description below if you want to try this out. So let's binyagan them. And this is the brush that I will be using for my foundation. Okay, exciting. Okay. So what I need to do is patch all those these pimple marks and red marks by using this. I think I'll use this brush. Okay. And I'll get that. Use this green. Ooh, nice brush. New one. You know what? I should have wiped it and clean it first, even though it's new. Yeah. Next time. But you guys, before you use a new brushes, you need to wipe them, okay? If you have a brush cleaner, clean them first. Don't copy me. Okay, let's do it. Okay. I can get that foundation, so I'll use that foundation and then mix it together with this, shade it with it. impressed. Again. What did Brittany said, I can put more of the green concealer and cover it again if I want full coverage of those marks, and then mix it again. Then I'll mix it again if I want the full coverage. And you can use a sponge in mixing this together if you want a full coverage. Yay! What do you guys think? I love it. It's like it's my skin tone. It's even, right? Love it. It's not powdery. And what do you think? Those blemishes, those red spots that I got a while ago are covered, and seems like I don't have anything. Even when you see it in person, it's not powdery. It doesn't have a lot of hole that sometimes with a foundation that I use, it's a lot of powder here and there on the side of my nose, under my bottom of my cheek. But this one, wow, I'm impressed. Try that concealer under this. Go on this side. This is the concealer for under my eyes here. Wow, that's amazing. Look at the before and after. This is nothing. This one has a bit. So, yes, look at that. My eyes went like they're bigger, and seems like I don't have eyeball, right? Magic. See? So cool. That's it, and we'll try the translucent to finish the look of this foundation. We'll use the translucent. Ooh, you have to tap it. I'll just tap it here. Here. Wow, I haven't had any product that I like foundation I will put on my face that I'm not gonna look like it's my natural color skin tone. Seems like I don't have anything. It's very cool. It's very natural looking, and it's not powdery. So cool. Yay! Thank you, Brittany, for introducing me with this brand. I really like it. If you will get to see the personal look of it, you're gonna be impressed. Promise. Because I have been using a lot of foundation, Sephora, MAC. I tried all of those, drugstore, and I tried Esther Lloyd. I think that's expensive brand. I have tried Avon. A lot of beauty products and a lot of foundation. And this particular brand of Limelife for foundation is everything, and their concealer. Wow, I'm really impressed. And my husband, by the way, was really impressed when I had my first consultation video in trying these products. He said, wow, you look blooming, I look glowing because it looks natural. Look at it! It's exciting! I'm so excited to always put this every day. I will feel good about myself saying that, oh, I got the product that I have been looking for, and since I have really sensitive skin, this product is vegan, natural, paraben free. So what still can I ask for a product? There, high pigmentation blush. I'll try it out first. Then I'm gonna get another brush or I can use the translucent one since it's clean and it's done. I use it already. I'm gonna clean everything, right? So I'll try it out. Tap, 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 and then tap it here. Or you can tap it there if you want, but I'll tap it on this way. Okay. Wow. It is high pigmentation. Wow. It's already showing. When I use my blush, I still have to put it harder or make it repeat it repetitive, and then I get the product on my face. But now this is high pigmentation, meaning even if it's just for a little bit, you can get the product itself. It's already gonna stick on your face. Since I put the translucent product or powder, wow, I'm impressed. Oh wow. Oh my gosh! I want more. It's up to you how much do you want, but it is. I know. Yes. This is it. Wow. What do you say, guys? I'm sorry, my camera is not seeing everything what I am seeing right now. It's glowing. It's I love it. I really love it. Look at those eye bags that I had before I put that concealer. Now they're, see, I'll go near the camera. Hopefully you'll get to see what I am seeing right now with this products, beauty products from Limelife by Alcone. Guys, you won't regret it. You won't regret it because it's really, really, really good. Wow. I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's so good. Ooh, I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. I'll see you again for the next video, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna see more of these products on my videos. So thank you for being here. I hope to see you again in this video or this one. Goodbye for now. Thank you. want to acknowledge my members here on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for extending and being generous in being members here on my YouTube channel. My Traveler Squad, The Lyle Adventures, Mrs. Fish Vlogs, The Insider Squad, Amron's Creation, my Hooray Childcare Guru's partner, Mary Ebony Peraz, Sheila Castillo Mom's Vlog, Our Believing Jaisal, Daisy Respecia, Maida Sam, Rhea and Richmond, Mr. Fish Vlogs, of course, Nit Ganda Abulyana, Bon James D, Chels Claridad, and Jessica Paglia. Thank you so much, guys. Shout out to everybody and to all that supported my channel and this video. Thank you so much. And to all the super chatters, thank you for your generosity, for continuing supporting my channel so that I can do this video, everything that I have. And guys, please support my new release channel, YouTube channel, the Boss Lady Tube. Search it, Boss Lady Tube. I just have one video there right now, but I promise you I will be making videos all about YouTube strategies, marketing, business, and everything in between regarding YouTube, my journey, our journey in Hooray Childcare Gurus. So guys, please support that channel. We'll be linking it in the description. And thank you for everything. Thank you so much. I am really touched for all the feedback that I'm getting with you, all of you supporting my journey here in my YouTube, in every YouTube that I have. Thank you so much. And all the super chatters, I can't say enough to everybody that has been there supporting, extending, being generous. Thank you. This is all for you. I'll see you guys next time.